Welcome to our channel where today we dive into how to fix canceled payments on Google Pay quickly and effectively. Many users face frustrations when a payment on Google Pay gets canceled. Understanding why this happens and how to fix it can save time and avoid inconvenience. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and your Google Pay app is up to date because outdated apps or poor connections cause many payment failures. Next, check your linked payment method. If your debit or credit card has expired or the bank has blocked transactions, the payment will not go through. To fix this, open your Google Pay app, go to the Payment Methods section, and confirm all details are current and valid. You can also try removing and re-adding your card to refresh the connection. Another common cause is insufficient funds. Verify your account balance in your linked bank account or digital wallet to make sure there's enough money for the transaction. If not, deposit funds and retry the payment. Sometimes Google Pay cancels payments due to security concerns. If it detects suspicious activity or your transaction triggers risk algorithms, the payment might be blocked temporarily. To resolve this, verify your identity within the app by following any prompted steps, or contact your bank to enroll in additional security verification methods. Clearing the cache and data of the Google Pay app can help remove glitches that lead to payment errors. Go to your device's settings, find the Apps section, select Google Pay, and clear its cache and data. Be aware that this will reset app preferences, but your payment methods and transaction history will stay safe. Also, ensure your device's date and time settings are accurate because incorrect system time can interfere with payment processing. Go to your device's date and time settings and enable automatic updates. If you continue to experience problems, contact Google Pay support directly or your bank's customer service for detailed assistance based on your specific account activity. Remember, no matter how many times a payment fails or gets canceled, staying calm and methodically checking each potential issue ensures success in resolving the problem quickly. This guide has walked you through the most effective ways to fix canceled payments on Google Pay so you can get back to smooth and secure transactions every time. Don't forget to keep your Google Pay app updated and your payment methods current to reduce the chance of future cancellations.